हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू मद्रास एक्वेरियम। आज एक नया शॉप ओपन हुआ है यहाँ पर बेंगलोर में हुडी के अंदर, वो आज हम एक्सप्लोर करने वाले हैं। तो यहाँ का कलेक्शन काफ़ी रेयर है और ऐसे ऐसे फिशेस है शायद आपने पहले नहीं देखा होगा। बिलीव मी, बहुत सारे रेयर फिशेस हैं। और ये जो है हुडी करके एक बेंगलोर में एरिया है, वहाँ पर ओपन हुआ है। काफ़ी बड़ा एक्वेरियम शॉप है, काफ़ी सारे वेराइटीज़ है जो हम पूरा कवर करेंगे। तो वीडियो एंड तक देखना, काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग वीडियो होने वाला है। हमारे साथ प्रदीप सर हैं जो स्टोर ओनर हैं। हेलो सर, कैसे हैं?
First of all, welcome Saicha. Thanks for coming and accepting our invite, and then coming a long distance from your place to our place. Welcome all viewers of Saicha to come to our shop and have a wonderful fish keeping.
तो ये शॉप कितने दिन हुआ सर ओपन करके? ये
It's 45 days old, Saicha.
तो और आपका डिलीवरी कैसा था? आउट ऑफ बैंगलोर वाले ये सब विद इन बैंगलोर, आउट ऑफ बैंगलोर, who can come or call and take orders?
For example, if people around in and around 2 to 5 kilometers, we will try to deliver on us by us. And then if it is more than 2 kilometers, there are Rapido done, so we used to deliver online delivery as well. And then if it is out of Bangalore, we used to transport through train and bus.
तो आउट ऑफ बैंगलोर आल्सो पॉसिबल टू डिलीवर?
Yes, definitely.
स्टार्ट करते हैं। डिस्प्ले टैंक्स हैं यहाँ पे और काफ़ी सारा नया स्टॉक है। और ये पूरे जितने भी यहाँ पर फिशेस हैं पूरे बड़े साइज़ में हैं। बैंगलोर में पहली बार इतने बड़े साइज़ में पल्स स्केल और ओरंडा हम देख रहे हैं।
These are I have currently I am having giant orandas, which are small size. They are around 1 year old, and then the pearl scale maximum. Customer would have seen the small size pearl scale. These are huge size, so that you can zoom in and see the real size.
Pearl size, this one. Pearl scale.
Yes.
बड़ा साइज है। और इसके प्राइस क्या हो सकते हैं इसके?
Pearl scale I am giving it for pair 4,500, and then giant oranda pair I am giving it for 6,000.
और साथ में यहाँ पर डिस्कस है।
Discuss starting from 1,800. I have pieces up to 4,600. I have, according to the size and varieties, the price will be getting differed. Maximum I can give from 1,500 to 10,000, like that piece rate.
All imported or Indian grade only?
Imported. You can see the quality of it. This is called Dutch style. Dutch style is nothing but full of plants. There is no without any driftwood or this thing that we call as Dutch style in the planted tank. Here we have around 12 to 13 varieties of plants which has been planted.
And fishes also is there?
I used to keep species only tank in my display tanks. These are Congo tetras, and then it's there for sales as well. Prices starts from 300 pair to 600. If it is according to their size and the quality, the price will differ.
This also is very beautiful. And something is different here. Plants जो different है यहाँ पे.
That is water lily. They used to say lily plants, and then they used to come exotic colors. And then with the bonsai, we have did a Java moss in it, and then looks like an actual tree. And we used the carpenter's macranthum so that it will grow faster, and then frequent trimming is required, so it will be looking elegant.
Geophocus है?
This is a semi-planted tank where we have there are 3 varieties in it: Geophagus, red-head Geophagus, and then Surnamis, and then Albino Eckley.
और इसके
Prices smaller size prices starts from 300. The bigger size which are there in the display will cost you around 1,800 piece rate, and then Eckley will cost you around 2,500 to 3,000 according to the size. I have 2 different variety of sizes, and then Surnamis will come around 1,200.
और ये भी काफ़ी सारा ब्यूटीफुल है। काफ़ी अच्छे सेटअप यहाँ पर बना के रखे हैं इन्होंने। और फ्रंटो से क्या प्राइस है?
फ्रंटोसा में तो पैर 3600 में दे दूँगा, 1800 पर पीस। ओ 3.5 इंचेस 4 इंचेस है, अलग अलग साइज़ है। इसमें ये अफ्रीकन टंगानियन का चिकलेट है। इसमें लुलुपी वो भी अफ्रीकन टंगानियन का चिकलेट है। मैं पैर 450 दे दूँगा। राम राइस, इसमें 3 राम राइस वैरायटी है। जर्मन बलून राम राइस है।
और ये
वो जर्मन बलून राम राइस है, वो लिटिल बिट चाय वाला है। ये इलेक्ट्रिक ब्लू का राम राइस है।
हाँ, ये वाला
वो येलो बलून का राम राइस है। Starting from 250 small size, I am giving it for 250 pair, and then the bigger size and the exotic ones I am giving it for 600 and 800 respectively.
Also you can add some small fishes, tetras varieties.
सही बोला। ये टेरारियम में एंटायर सेट रेडीमेड भी है। कस्टमाइज़ करना पड़ेगा, मतलब कस्टमाइज़ करना पड़ेगा। इसमें स्मॉल फिशेस लाइक बीटा रख सकता है। We are doing nano tanks as well, which are ready made. Up to 2 feet we have tanks ready made. So all aquascaping and artscaping can be done here itself. If anyone wants the full set now, we will deliver entire set accordingly. Same like that, it's a small 10-inch cube tank where we are delivering the entire setup starting from 6,000 सब लाइट मोटर फिल्टर सब मिलेगा। ये 6,000 है। फ्रॉम 6,000 to 20,000 we are having tank ready-made tank setup. This one is they used to call Rookin Gold. This is also parent size, which will around 4 inches 5 inches it will be in size, and then they are imported. I am giving it for pair 4,500.
यहाँ पर हाई फिन
एशियाटिक लॉज, एशियाटिक लॉज मेरे पास अभी एक पैर है, which are very exotic. We can leave them in the monster tanks like Arona. In those tanks also they can be tank mates.
और बेटा फिशेस भी हैं। Moontail
Giant
में क्या
betas.
क्या कॉस्ट होता है?
Moontail molly I have in 2 different sizes. These are parent sizes, which I am giving it for 300 to 400 pair, and then the small size I have small size as well, which I am giving it for 100 rupees pair.
ये वाले छोटे वाले हैं। छोटे वाले क्या प्राइस बताए थे?
100 rupees.
100 रुपीज़। और यहाँ पर है
Balloon red pearl.
बलून जेवल सीडलेट्स है ना?
Jewel chicklets है।
बलून जेवल सीडलेट्स ये भी एक्सोटिक होते हैं क्योंकि
Exotic होते हैं।
बलून आते हैं।
पैर 200 में दे दूँगा।
श्रिम्प्स क्या कॉस्ट है स्टार्टिंग?
Time to time, shrimps and snails varieties will be changing here. Shrimp, red shrimp I am giving it for 40 rupees piece, and then yellow black I am giving it for 50 rupees. Red lily I am giving it for 50 rupees per piece.
और स्नेल्स?
Snails starting from 30 rupees I have. The 30 rupees ransom snail I am giving it for 30 rupees piece, and then apple snail 40 rupees, and then white wizard 100 rupees per piece, and then military helmet I am giving it for 100 rupees piece.
Amano shrimps.
I have Amano shrimps as well. Piece I am giving it for giving it for 160.
ये वाला ब्लैक रैंचो फिश है। ये भी अच्छा खासा साइज में भी है। और ये क्या कॉस्ट है?
Piece I am giving it for 300. If they are taking entire more numbers, na price can be reduced.
दिस वन इज ब्लैक।
Black full solid beta है। मेरे पास बहुत मेल फीमेल पैर है।
और ये बेटा फिश क्या कॉस्ट है ब्लैक?
Pair, I'm giving it for 400. Polar parrots, मेरे पास albino और polar parrot दोनों दो वैरायटी है. I'm giving it for pair 100.
और चिकलेट्स?
We used to have 15. Always we used to have 15 different varieties of African Malawian chiclet. We will be having the exotic varieties: bicolor Mubuna, Lotus Star, Red Top, Demosody, and then Blue Dolphin, and then Taiwan Reef. We have our own farm food as well, which will enrich the color, and then it will be very good for feeding.
और चिकलेट्स क्या कॉस्ट स्टार्टिंग हुई सही?
Starting pair 130, normal yellow, white morph, blue morph, ice blue. I am giving it for 130 pair, and then exotic varieties like Taiwan Reef, Sulphur. These things come around 400 price range.
तो स्टार्टिंग क्या कॉस्ट है चिकलेट्स का?
Chiclet starting 130 pair cost, and then the exotic one like bicolor Mubuna, I am giving it for 600 pair. White dolphin, bicolor Mubuna, I am giving it for 600 pair. I am having a surprise for you. This one is white dolphin, small size. This is 1.5 inch size. I am giving it for 600 pair. Now I will show the real size of the white dolphin.
तो ये वाला बड़ा साइज है. डॉल्फिन अगर बड़ी होती है तो इतनी हो जाती है ना?
हाँ.
तो यहाँ पर एक है और यहाँ पर है. ये टीम एकदम सेपरेट बता दो फाइटिंग.
They are little bit aggressive. We need to give at least 5 feet, 6 feet tank. So they love to swim like anything.
तो ये बड़े हो जाते हैं तो ऐसा होते हैं.
हाँ.
जब छोटे होते हैं तो ये चीज़ है और ये 600 रुपीज़ का पेयर है. और उसका क्या कॉस्ट है?
Oscar, I am giving it this size 1.5 2 inch size. I am giving it for 100 pair.
और ये वाली चिकलेट्स?
Chitimba 400 pair.
फीमेल बेटा मेल बेटा?
Female betas, I have already told no. I have some exotic varieties like black samurai, black avatar, blue rim. They are females. I will show the male of blue rim black samurai, which I have.
तो ये कौन सा ब्लैक समुराई?
Black samurai.
मेल.
Yes.
इज इट रेयर?
It's exotic. It's considered exotic varieties. Black samurai, blue avatar, blue rim. I will show blue rim as well. Yes. Yes, angel fishes. We have diamond angel, harlequin angel, white platinum angel, with of same different sizes, and then price range starts from 80 rupees to 300. Currently we are we are having 3 varieties. Starts from 80, 250 and 300. Calico small size. We are giving it for 200 pair, and then we have red cap as well currently. We are giving it for 250 pair.
ओके ट्रस्ट?
Cardinal we are giving it for 100 pair, and then neon we are giving it for 50 pair. If any customer takes for more than 10 pairs, we are giving additional discount.
यहाँ पर है बड़े साइज में ऑस्कर, चिकलेट्स, पैरेट फिश.
In this we have 4 different varieties of fishes, as Saisha said. Parrot, Oscar, and then Severum 2 varieties. Red spotted Severum, and currently we are having the most exotic Severum, and they called rat kill Severum.
The black one.
Black, you can see, you can zoom in. Which is very exotic. There are more customers who love to have rat kill Severum in their tank. Parrot, red color we are giving it for 750, and then yellow we are giving it for 850. Red spotted Severum we are giving it for 600 pair, and then rat kill Severum we are giving it for 2600 pair.
ये वाला कारास है. और ये कौन सी है जो साथ में हम देख रहे हैं?
This one is pink tail chucklish. Their bottom fin will become green color as they grow. Now you can see for few fishes, it's the color is enlightened.
Which fish is it?
Pink tail chucklish.
चकलेस
Yes.
और नियोन अकारा से साथ में
Electric blue akara. We can mix these things, so we have mixed.
एंड प्राइजेस
Pink tail we are giving it for 550 piece, and the electric blue akara we are giving it for 250 pair. It's a bigger size. We have rummy nose, neon tetra, thread fin, and then algae eaters like CMC algae eaters, albino cori, sterbai cori. So all time we will be having around 10 varieties of tetras, and then 5 to 6 varieties of algae eaters ready made. This one is CMC algae eater. Even I have a 5 years old fish. I will show you the real size of my 5 years old fish. This is my personal tank collection, CMC alligator, which is there with me for more than 5 years.
दिस इज 5 इयर्स
This is the 5 years CMC alligator, which is my own personal collection. The size will be around 6 inches. Saisha will explain it. He saw the real small size and the real big size. Hope this is the first time you are seeing CMC this size.
I didn't know that this much they will grow.
They will grow. I have another surprise. There we saw CMC 5 years old fish. No, this is golden algae eater 5 years old fish, which is also from my personal collection.
This also first time I am seeing this much big.
Because they will be very thin. They will be like a needle, whereas here they are like a rod.
So now fishes is looking very vibrant color, nice.
Yes. There will be always 6 colors available with me regarding the color widows, and then the glass fish also I have. So anytime if you come now, you won't be disappointed with the color widows.
और कलर वीडियोस अभी क्या प्राइस है आपके पास?
The price range, for example, it starts from 100, and then for example blue, it's little demand and it's very rare to get it. So the price for blue alone will be 150 per pair. Remaining it will be starting from 100 pair.
Big size, right?
Yes. Bosmania rainbows. Currently I have Bosmania rainbows. Bosmania rainbows I am giving it for 300 pair.
And golden alligator?
120 pair. Same CMC also I am giving it for 120. And then albino cori I am giving it for 150 pair. Sterbai 200. And then panda 200 per pair.
स्वॉटेल है यहाँ पे काफ़ी बड़े साइज में, ब्रीडिंग साइज है, ब्रीडिंग साइज की है तो ये इसका क्या प्राइस है ब्रीडिंग साइज का?
Breeding size I am giving it for 300 to 500 range. I have different size of red spots currently, so I am giving it up to 500 for this thing. This actually we are in a process of building a 8-feet tank for our display. Currently,
It will be personal collection.
yes, currently it's a personal collection because this size it's very rare to get it.
Nowhere chance to get.
Yes.
तो यहाँ पर है गोरामिस वेराइटीज.
Currently I have 3 different Gorami varieties. For example, Anigora, Neon Gora, and then the below one is Red Colisa. These are the varieties currently I have. These are imported quality. I am giving it for 180 Neon Colisa, and then Red Colisa I am giving it for 180 pair, and then Neon we are Neon also the same 180 per pair.
और ये वाले
Anigora we are giving it for 250 pair.
और यहाँ पर गोल्ड फिशेस हैं स्मॉल साइज में.
This is Ranchu orange. I have imported Ranchu as well. I have left out with the last 2 pieces. If anyone likes it, you can make use of it.
What is the cost for that?
Imported variety Rancho, I am giving it for 1,500 pair.
And other goldfish?
The other Rukin, I am giving it for price range starts from 150 to 300.
और यहाँ पर एक काफ़ी रेयर फिशेस में दिखाने जा रहा हूँ और पहली बार मैं भी देख रहा हूँ इतने बड़े साइज में बलून मोली फिश.
Imported moontail balloon molly. In this I have two varieties, Harlequin and then orange. Previously you have seen the black color in it. These are parent size. Even I have Julaiman size also I have.
What will the parent size this one cost?
Parent size I am giving it for 350.
तो यहाँ से स्टार्ट करते हैं. ये वाली गप्पीज वेराइटीज़ है. गप्पीज में कौन सी है ये?
They used to call this called as Endler guppy or Cutler guppy. I have more maximum in all places we can find only the male in Endler guppy. I have female guppies as well. So if anyone interested in Endler guppy breeding and all, please contact me so that I will do the needful. I have few exotic collections of guppies as well. Koi guppy, and then in koi guppy I have Dumbo ears.
तो ये वाले डम्बो है.
Dumbo ears koi guppy I have. So you can. These are parent size mosaic guppies. That's what, as previously I told, I will be having 2-3 different varieties of guppies which are in parent size. So I am ready to give those things as well.
और गप्पीज क्या प्राइस है आपके पास?
Guppies starting from 60. There are guppies up to 500 pair, starting from 60 and ending 500. A full racks belongs to guppies. I have around 8 to 10 varieties of guppies. White platinum, yellow guppy, red tail, red eye guppy. Rosy barb, they are not normal rosy barb, they are whale-tailed rosy barbs. It is also an imported collection. Pair I am giving it for 200, so that there are few pieces left out.
और यहाँ पर है प्लाटीज.
This is balloon platies, which are also parent size. I am giving it for pair 200.
और यहाँ पर ये गप्पीज है.
Guppies, previously we told no, the starting rate of the guppies 60 rupees. These are 60 rupees guppies, which are quality one. In this I have a parent size as well. I will show the parent size guppies as well.
पेरेंट साइज है.
Size can see the difference of the small size and the parent size.
है ना?
Tiger barb में there are 3-4 different varieties of tiger barb currently I have. Whale tail tiger, and then fluorescent tiger, and then green tiger, and then albino tiger.
और यहाँ पर आपको लाइफ प्लांट भी मिल जाएंगे हैं. पर पॉट क्या कॉस्ट है लाइफ प्लांट?
I have pots starting from 50 rupees to 90 rupees. ADA and then Sri Padma. I am getting plants from different places. So there will be always plants will be available. Even ADA tissue culture plants are also available.
तो यहाँ पर बेटा फिशेस हैं. बेटा फिशेस में देखिए इम्बैलिस बेटा भी यहाँ पर, जिसे वाइल्ड बेटा भी कहते हैं. इम्बैलिस बेटा क्या कॉस्ट है?
Imbalian, I am giving it for pair 1000 rupees. I am having Imbalian beta as well. This one is alien beta. Alien beta, I am giving it for pair 1200. Male, female, I have.
And other betas like this?
Normal OHM placard varieties price range starts from 200. According to their variety, price differs.
और यहाँ पर ये कौन से हैं बेटास?
Imbalias variety. Wild varieties also currently I have. Now it is related to our dry goods, tanks. We deal with imported tanks and then ultra clear tanks. Ultra clear tanks from cube starting size 8 inch to 4 feet currently we have stock. And then we have these kind of scaping driftwoods as well, bonsais as well. For different tank size we are having different bonsai trees as well. and then imported tanks. As I said earlier, imported tanks starting price starts from 2000. Up to 4 feet we are having the tank available.
और विद कैबिनेट भी है ना?
We are giving with both with cabinet and without cabinet as well, as per customer requirement.
तो बड़े साइज का भी है ना?
अप टू ये 3 फीट वाला on the back side, 3 feet वाला we are giving. We are dealing with different brands. Wanglong 5-star. The price range of full imported set with cabinet 20,000 में start हो गया.
3 feet
3 feet
विद कैबिनेट.
with cabinet. Currently we are having the 3.25 feet, which is cost around 22,500. Will do best price regarding fishes and then gravels and few things I will be giving as a compliment. Definitely for Saicha viewers, great discount will be given, and then complimentary fishes will be given.
सो जैसा आपने देखा यहाँ पर बहुत सारे स्टॉक है, आपको नए फिशेस मिलेगी, नए टैंक्स मिलेगी. नया शॉप ओपन हुआ है मद्रास एक्वेरियम करके. ये है हुडी लेक के एकदम अपोजिट में. हुडी लेक आओगे तो उसके अपोजिट में ही है. यहाँ पर एक बास्किन रॉबिन का एक शॉप है. बास्किन रॉबिन के बाजू में यहाँ पे शॉप आता है हुडी लेक में. हुडी एरिया का नाम है बेंगलोर में. यहाँ पर आपको एसेसरीज़, फिश फूड, मेडिसिन्स और हर प्रकार के जो है आपको फिशेस मिल जाएगी. मोर देन टोटल कितने वैरायटी फिशेस हैं आपके पास अभी?
Currently I am having more than 100 varieties. We have shown only few of the varieties. Currently there are 100 plus varieties of fishes are there. This is my important display tank. In this I am having thread fin, or some customers used to say thread fin. They will flare like anything. They are the most exotic. In shop we used to get only the small size, July 1 size. Currently I am having the big size. You can make use of it. I am giving it for 300 to 500 price range. Currently we have crossback arona. This is my personal fish. Now as an offer I am giving you the full set tank, and we are giving this full setup for 18,000. Tank, stand, and then including the fish. Currently I am giving it as an offer for Saicha viewers.
विच वैरायटी आप इस आरोना?
Crossback.
तो यहाँ पे जो आप देख रहे हैं आरोना विथ टैंक विथ स्टैंड एवरीथिंग आपको 18,000 रुपये का मिल रहा है अगर आप लेने जा रहे हो तो. एशियन आरोना है, काफ़ी अच्छा कॉस्ट है. विथ फिश, विथ टैंक, विथ स्टैंड आपको 18,000 में मिल रहा है. सिर्फ आपको फिशेस ही लेने जाओ तो 20-25 हज़ार पड़ जाती है, लेकिन अभी क्लियरेंस सेल में आपको विथ फिश 18,000 में पड़ रहा है. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग. नंबर स्क्रीन पर दे दिया है, डिस्क्रिप्शन में नंबर ऐड कर दिया है और लोकेशन भी डिस्क्रिप्शन में ऐड कर दिया मैंने. अगर आप बैंगलोर से हैं तो विजिट कर सकते हैं, या आउट ऑफ बैंगलोर है तो कॉल करके मंगवा सकते हैं. फिर एक नई टॉपिक के साथ मिलेंगे. अब तक के लिए गुड बाय, खुदा हाफिज़.